A fire extinguisher is a handheld active fire protection device usually filled with a dry or wet chemical used to extinguish or control small fires, often in emergencies. It is not intended for use on an out-of-control fire, such as one which has reached the ceiling, endangers the user, i.e. no escape route, smoke, explosive hazard, etc., or otherwise requires the equipment, personnel, resources, or expertise of a fire brigade. Typically, a fire extinguisher consists of a handheld cylindrical pressure vessel containing an agent that can be discharged to extinguish a fire. Fire extinguishers manufactured with non-cylindrical pressure vessels also exist, but are less common. Solution. Yeah, the fire extinguisher. I identify the different classifications of fires and fire extinguishers. Fires are classified based on the type of fuel involved. Likewise, portable fire like Likewise, portable fire extinguishers are classified by the type of fires they are designed to extinguish by basic classification. of fuel and extinguishers. Extinguishers are labeled with either letter-shaped or pictorial symbols that indicate what types of fires they are intended for. Okay. Class A, yeah. Fires involve ordinary combustible materials such as cloth, wood, paper, rubber, and many plastics. Extinguishers with an A rating are designed to extinguish fires involving these ordinary combustible materials. Slide. Class B. Fires involve flammable and combustible liquids such as gasoline, alcohol, oil-based paints, lacquer. Therefore, extinguishers with a B rating are designed to extinguish fires involving flammable and combustible liquids. Okay. Class C. Fire involves energized electrical equipment. Extinguishers with a C rating are designed to use with fires involving energized electrical equipment. Power tools? Good. Transformers? Okay, next slide. Class. Wait. Wait. Back? Oh, how do I. B, C, A. Yeah, we'll pretend there's a Class D fires. Fires involve combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, and sodium. Extinguishers with a D rating are designed to extinguish fires involving combustible metals. It's Class D. We don't have a slide for it, but that's metals and stuff, you know, metal. Sodium's metal? I thought sodium's salt. It was salt metal? Class K fires. Fires involve vegetable oils, animal oils, or fats in cooking appliances. Extinguishers with a K rating are designed to extinguish fires involving vegetable oils, animal oils, or fats utilized in commercial cooking appliances. And then sources of vitamin K. Eggs seem very misplaced on this list. I don't know why. I don't know why eggs, that they're not green. Everything else is green. Oh, there's a green eggs and ham. I guess that might be what they're going with. I don't think this slide is relevant to this one, but Multi-purpose extinguishers. Most portable extinguishers are rated for use with more than one classification of fire. For example, an extinguisher with an ABC or a BC rating is suitable for use with fires involving flammable liquids and energized electrical equipment. So B is for the liquids, and then C is for the electrical. C is current. I don't know what liquid. An extinguisher with an ABC rating is suitable for use with fires involving ordinary combustibles, flammable liquids, and energized electrical equipment. So A is ordinary combustibles, again it. An extinguisher that is rated for use with multiple hazards should include a symbol for each hazard type. Oh, all right. Now we're getting to the list here. So first off, we got the water extinguishers. Yeah, there it is. It's the one like second to the right, on the right side. The approximate effective range is 13 to 23 feet. The controllable discharge type conserves water, and once the flame have been subdued, the operator can interrupt the water flow and open up the burning combustible materials using a rake or spade. This will expose smoldering areas which can then be systematically extinguished. When using non-controllable units, water discharge continues, and helpers should assist the operator in opening up burning materials. Alright, the next one is foam. It's like right on the middle, left side. The approximate effective range is 13 to 16 feet. Direct the foam jet at the far inside edge of flammable liquid container. This allows the foam to build up and flow across the surface of the liquid. Where this is not possible, the operator should stand well back and allow the foam to gently fall onto the liquid surface. Direct discharge of the foam into burning liquid should be avoided. Then we got dry powder, just right of that. The approximate effective range is 13 to 16 feet. That's been all of them so far. That's water, foam, and dry powder are all 13 to 16 feet. The powder cloud tends to interfere with the chemical reactions inside a flame, thereby achieving extinguishment. So the operator should stand back initially to allow the powder stream to fan out. Thereafter, moving closer using a rapid side-to-side action with the nozzle. Care should be taken not to direct the powder jet into the burning liquid, as this would splash the liquid out of the container and spread the fire. For fires involving electrical equipment, try to get the powder to penetrate motor casings, switchboards, etc. For gas fires, direct the powder into the flame from behind the gas leak. The gas should be immediately cut off to avoid a gas buildup. The use of an extinguisher on a gas flame should only be considered as a last resort. And then we go second on the right, the CO2, carbon dioxide. The approximate effective range is up to 10 feet. CO2 is the most effective when used close to the fire. No shit, it can't be used further from the fire. Ensure that the gas penetrates casings of electrical motors or switchboards, etc. Windy conditions will detrimentally affect the medium's extinguishing capability. The discharge horn should always be held by the insulated handle only and not by the horn itself, since the low temperatures generated by discharge can cause cold burns to the skin. Alright, let's see. I think this is just going to be review after this. There are two main types of fire extinguishers: stored pressure and cartridge operated. In stored pressure units, the exhalant is stored in the same chamber as the firefighting agent itself. Depending on the agent used, different propellants are used. With dry chemical extinguishers, nitrogen is typically used. Water and foam extinguishers typically use air. Stored pressure fire extinguishers are the most common type. Cartridge-operated extinguishers contain the expellant gas in a separate cartridge that is punctured before discharge, exposing the propellant to the extinguishing agent. This type is not as common, used primarily in areas such as industrial facilities where they receive higher than average use. They have the advantage of a simple and prompt recharge, allowing an operator to discharge the extinguisher, recharge it, and return to the fire in a reasonable amount of time. Uh, okay. Unlike stored pressure types, these extinguishers use compressed carbon dioxide instead of nitrogen, although nitrogen cartridges are used on low temperatures. -60 rated models. Oh no, not that one. Cartridge operated extinguishers are available in dry chemical and dry powder types in the US, and water wetting agent foam dry chemical classes ABC and BC and dry powder class D types in the rest of the world. So, America on top, I think is what they just said there. We use the best, or the worst? Wait, what did we use? Cartridge? We use the one the rest of the world doesn't use. That's all I needed to hear.